Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Math Solver. Many students find algebraic fractions confusing, but today I will show you an easy way to solve them. This lesson is from A-Level Pure Maths, Chapter 7, Algebraic Methods, Exercise 7A, question number 3. In this lesson, we will solve algebraic fraction by different techniques. This will help you tackle more complex algebraic expressions with confidence. Now we will start our today's lecture. Now the question number 3 is 6x cubed plus 3x square minus 84x by 6x square minus 33x plus 42. And then we have ax into x plus b by x plus c. We have to find the value of a, b and c. Now first of all, we will take 3 as common. 3 into x is common and remaining is 2x square plus x minus 28. Now we will take 3 as common from this and we have 2x minus 11x plus 14. Now make the factors of this such that when you multiply get 28 and when subtract you will get x. So the factors are 28 into 2 is 56. So the factors of 56 such that when they are subtracted gives 1. So we have 2x square plus 8x minus 7x and then minus 28 and then make the factors of 28 such that when they are added gives 11. So 7 into 4 is 28. So you will write this as 2x minus 7x minus 4x plus 14. Now we will have 3 into x and by taking 2x as common, remaining is x plus 4. Then take minus 7 common, remaining is x plus 4 by 3 into taking x as common, two x minus 7 and by taking minus 4 as common, minus 2 as common, remaining is 2x minus 7. Now we will write this as x into x plus 4. This 3 is cancelled by this 3. X into x plus 4 and 2x minus 7 by 2x minus 7 x minus 2. Now 2x minus 7 is cancelled by 2x minus 7. We will write this as x into x plus 4 which is equal to x minus 2. Now compare this with the right hand side. This will be equal to a of x into x plus b by x plus c. Now we will get the values such that a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 4 and c is equal to -2. So this is the final answer of this question. I hope you understand all these steps. If you find this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117. In the next video, we will solve next exercise of this chapter. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.